is my favourite dance. Absolutely love this one. Always did my best in it. Tango is slightly different because the hold is down with the knees slightly bent and the hold is further in. Now I know it's a lot wider now, but we're doing the basics for beginners. So the hold, I would say, keep it down nice and low. So what you've got with the tango is when you've got these knees slightly bent, it moves easier. So start doing tango on straight legs. Again, you look like Bill and Ben. So what we've got to do is get down into those knees for the tango. And it's mostly, a lot of the steps are forward on the heel. So you literally, you can't do bent knees and do ball of the foot. But the weight is over the balls of the feet. So when we step, it's on the heel. Again, transfer the weight on the heel. Keep it nice and low and compact. And you've got the hips tilted slightly forward in the tango. So these little bits, again, you should have done that before. Pushed forward so that you're nice and tight in there. So the basic link step is quite simple really. It's just 2 steps. It's a forward step there, and again, straight on. And the movement is a lot sharper in the tango. So you would dance quick, quick. And obviously the head comes into play, so it's nice and sharp. So we get link step, quick, quick. Then if we do a closed promenade, again it's heel, heel, side and close. Okay, so if we're doing the closed promenade, again we've done the link, there's the link. So you link nice and sharp in the head, then we move the body weight forward into the step, so it's slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. The most important thing about the tango is to get that little bit of a bent knee, hips forward and instant movement, so that you're moving straight onto the next step. It's not the slow transfer that we've done before. So just get into the basic idea of the tango and don't dance it up here. Get down, and it's quite a sort of funky little feel to it, the tango. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Just a little bit of basic just to ease you into the movement and how it's slightly different. A little bit of tango.